Are you searching for answers for your natural stone questions? Marble, limestone, travertine, terrazzo, quartz, even though that's engineered, all falls under the same category-ish. Well, search no more. Whatever your question is, we've got you covered. My name is Caesar, and I've been in the natural stone restoration industry for the last 15 years. There probably isn't anything that you have going on in your home or business that we haven't come across and haven't been able to find an answer or provide you with a solution needed to address your concern. Whether you're looking for the long story or just some quick tips, you can check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Reels, or YouTube. Now, mind you, if you hop on YouTube, you're gonna find a lot of me, and you're not gonna find short videos. I tend to take things a little longer, but that's only because I'm passionate about this industry, and I'm huge on foundational information. So if you're the type that wants to truly understand how to care for your natural stone, regardless of whatever situation or scenario it is that's going on in your home, then check me out on YouTube. Watch the videos. I promise they're worth the wait, and you'll get the answers to whatever scenario it is that you end up with today, tomorrow, in the future. If you just want quick tips, quick answers on what to use this for this, then check us out on the Reels. I'll do my best to keep them short and keep them informative, but trust me when I tell you, there is a lot more to natural stone care than just use this for this. So check us out. Your search is over. Look us up. My name is Caesar with a Clean Story, and we're developing natural stone products that's residentially safe just for you, formulated and created from our experience on a professional level. So we're simplifying things, breaking things down, and giving you answers and literally solutions to all the different problems and all different scenarios that we on a professional level address each and every day. Check us out at acleanstory.com.